Hello, good day to one and all. In this video, I am reading and explaining each stanza of the poem The Blind Boy, written by Coley Clipper. In the poem The Blind Boy, the poet Coley Clipper tells about the feelings of a blind boy who has never seen light. The poet portrays the suffering of a young boy who is blind from birth. He tries to express what a blind boy feels and what his world and worldly things are for him. It is a simple, touching poem where a blind boy talks of his lack of knowledge about light. The poem also depicts the blessings of the senses which we often take for granted. The blind boy is brave and optimistic. He does not feel sorry for not having eyesight, but wants to enjoy his life as a cheerful blind boy. The first stanza: Oh, say, what is that thing called light, which I must never enjoy? What are the blessings of the sight? Oh, tell your poor blind boy. Never, never, blessings, favor, happiness, sight, eyesight. The speaker of the poem is a blind boy who is very curious to know about the blessings of sight. He asks others to help him understand what is light, as he had never seen the light in his life. But he has often heard others speak about it. He says he can never enjoy light nor know about the blessings which light has. For example, here a normal person can see the sunrise and sunset, can differentiate between day and night, and other wondrous things that cannot be seen by the blind boy. Stanza 2. You talk of wondrous things you see. You say the sun shines bright. I feel him warm, but how can he or make it day or night? Wondrous, lovely, beautiful. How can he or make it day or night? Personification. The blind boy says that people often talk about the wondrous things they see with their eyes. They often say that the sun shines bright. The blind boy wants to know the meaning of the thing everyone calls the light. He says he doesn't understand the concept of the light. He can only feel the warmness of the sun, but not the sun or sunlight. The day and night are similar to him because he is always in darkness. I would like to repeat: the boy can feel the warmth of the sun when it shines bright on him, but cannot make it if it is day or night. Stanza 3. My day or night myself I make, whenever I sleep or play. And could I ever keep awake? With me it were always day. TWERE, it were. The blind boy in the third stanza says normal people can make out day and night. He makes his own day as well as night. When he sleeps, it is night for him, and whenever he is awake and plays, it becomes his day. So, here once again, I would like to tell it is always day for the blind boy when he is awake and playing, and when he sleeps, it is night for him. Stanza 4. With heavy sigh, I often hear you moan my hapless woe. But sure with patience I can bear a loss I never can know. Heavy, here it means sorrowful. Sigh, sounds indicating sadness. Moan, sadness. Hapless, unluck, unfortunate, woe, sorrow, distress, bear, tolerate, neer, never. The blind boy in the fourth stanza says, he feels quite sorrowful and sad when he listens to the people talk about him being blind. They show pity and sympathize with heavy sighs for his miserable condition, for being blind. The boy does not like the people who sighs and mourn for his lack of eyesight. The boy says for sure that with patience he can tolerate his lack of his eyesight and can bear the loss which he can never imagine or express, as he has never seen light or the world. The last stanza. Then let not what I cannot have my cheer of mind destroy. Whilst thus I sing, I am a king, although a poor blind boy. Cheer, it means gladness, joy. While I am a king, although a poor blind boy. Figure of speech is paradox. In the final stanza, the blind boy requests others not to destroy his joy, his happiness by talking and moaning about something which he can never have. That is, he can never see light. He asks them to let him sing that he is a king of his little dark world, though in reality he is just a poor little blind boy. Here the boy says he is happier than any people who is blessed with vision. He wants to enjoy his life, feel like a king with whatever resources he has. So again I repeat, the blind boy says he is a king though he is a blind boy and wants to lead a happy, contented life. Conclusion of the poem. The poem talks about being optimistic and cheerful despite having a lot of problems. The message of the poem is we should be happy and contented with what God has given us. We should not spoil our happiness by telling to get what we can't. About the poet, Koli Kibber was an English actor, manager, playwright, and a laureate. Thank you.